Picture this. You're hauling a massive cooler across a scorching beach. The plastic handle snaps, and your lunch ends up swimming in a murky puddle of melted ice. Choosing the wrong rolling cooler means heavy lifting, soggy sandwiches, and a ruined weekend, especially with so many oversized ice chests making big promises but failing on simple ergonomics. Well, today I'm separating the true mobile refrigerators from the overhyped plastic boxes. I've personally dragged, loaded, and real-world tested the biggest names in the game to find the absolute best options. Number 6. Yeti Roadie 60-Wheeled Cooler. Let's be totally honest here. When you hear the name Yeti, you expect absolute perfection, right? I mean, it is a massive brand with a massive price tag to match. When you first unbox this beast, the build quality is undeniably impressive, and it looks like it could survive being thrown out of a moving truck. It features their signature roto-molded construction, which gives you incredible ice retention that can easily carry you through a 4-day camping trip without breaking a sweat. The periscope handle feels solid at first glance, and the impact-resistant wheels are built to take a beating on rough pavement. But here's the real talk. Once you actually load this 60-quart monster to its full capacity with ice and drinks, it becomes an absolute chore to move on anything other than flat, solid concrete. That telescoping handle, well, it looks cool, but it lacks the leverage you desperately need when trying to haul 100 pounds of cargo over soft sand or uneven gravel paths. I found myself constantly fighting the weight distribution, and the handle started to show an alarming amount of flex when tilting the cooler backward to roll it. For a premium product designed for rugged adventures, you shouldn't have to strain your back just to get it from your trunk to the campsite. Another major downback is the interior layout. Because of the wheel wells and the internal housing for that fancy retractable handle, you lose a frustrating amount of usable space inside the main compartment. 5. RTIC Ultra-Light Wheeled Cooler. RTIC explicitly pitches this as the lighter, more affordable alternative to the heavy hitters, and on paper, saving nearly 30% of the weight sounds like an absolute dream. When you lift it empty, you instantly notice the difference. It feels incredibly nimble compared to the Yeti. The design includes a rugged pull handle and large puncture-resistant wheels that promise to handle a variety of terrains without sinking into the dirt. It uses a lighter injection-molded style of insulation that still manages to offer solid ice retention for weekend getaways or backyard barbecues. However, you know that weight savings has to come from somewhere, and during my testing, the compromises became pretty obvious. The overall structural rigidity just doesn't match up to its heavier competitors. The lid feels a bit flexible when you sit on it, and let's be real, everyone uses their cooler as an extra chair at the campsite. The rubber T-latches are functional, but the plastic pins holding them in place feel noticeably cheaper, making me worry how many seasons of hard use they can actually survive before snapping under pressure. The biggest issue I encountered was with the wheel assembly and axle system. While the wheels themselves are decent, the axle tracking feels a bit loose, which causes the cooler to fishtail and wobble when you're walking at a brisk pace down a dirt trail. If you hit a stray rock or a tree root, the whole unit wants to tip over sideways because the track width is just a little too narrow for its height. 4. RovR Hard Cooler. This is where we leave the traditional designs behind and enter the world of true utility. The RovR is a beast of a different color, literally built like a high-end wagon designed to conquer any terrain you throw at it. The absolute star of the show here is the wheel and handle setup. It features massive, inflatable pneumatic tires mounted on a wide, heavy-duty steel axle. When you pick up the aluminum dual-pull handle, the geometry shifts perfectly, lifting the front of the cooler higher off the ground so you have massive ground clearance over deep mud, loose rocks, and soft beach sand. Testing this unit was an absolute blast because it honestly rolls like a dream. It doesn't matter if you overload it with heavy meat, cast iron skillets, and gallons of water. Those air-filled tires absorb all the bumps instead of transferring that jarring vibration to your arm. It also features a genius attachable storage bin on top, allowing you to stack your beach chairs, blankets, or dry bags right on the lid and haul everything from the truck in one single trip. Inside, the insulation is incredibly thick, delivering a rock-solid 4 to 5 days of ice retention even when parked under direct sunlight. The interior organization is another massive win. It comes with a deep, dry storage bin that keeps your food completely elevated away from the ice water, meaning your burgers and veggies stay perfectly dry and fresh. The latches are made of a high-density composite that snaps down with a reassuring mechanical thud without needing crazy finger strength. 3. Pelican Elite Hard Cooler. If your primary goal is keeping things cold for a week straight while being able to lock it up against wild animals, this is your champion. Pelican is legendary for their military-grade protective cases, and they've brought that exact same bulletproof ethos to this rolling ice chest. The ice retention on this unit is simply spectacular. We are talking about up to 10 days of freezing performance thanks to 2 full inches of polyurethane insulation and a commercial-grade freezer gasket. The press and pull latches are wide, heavy-duty, and incredibly satisfying to use, securing the lid with absolute authority. What I love most about the Pelican is how insanely tough every single component feels. The trolley handle is built right into the mold, meaning there are no telescoping metal pieces to bend, rust, or get jammed with sand over time. The wheels are heavy-duty, solid polyurethane models that glide smoothly over boat docks, concrete, and hard-packed dirt roads. It also features molded-in tie-down slots, so you can strap it securely down to the bed of your truck or the deck of a boat, while still being able to open the lid and grab a cold drink whenever you want. Using this cooler in the real world feels incredibly reassuring. You can tell the engineers thought about the little details, like the integrated cup holders on the lid and a built-in stainless steel bottle opener right next to the latch. 2. BrüMate BruTank 55. This thing is an absolute revelation for anyone who loves tailgating, beach parties, or backyard entertaining. BrüMate basically looked at the traditional cooler design and said, how can we make this way more fun? The defining feature here is the integrated removable 2.8-gallon drink tank with a built-in tap on the outside of the cooler. This means you can mix up a massive batch of punch, margaritas, or iced tea inside a separate, dedicated clean zone and dispense it directly through the outer wall without ever opening the main lid and letting the cold air escape. The engineering on the BruTank is phenomenally clever. The wheels are massive, all-terrain puncture-proof tires that handle sand and gravel with incredible ease, supported by a super-wide stance that prevents any accidental tipping. The pull handle is a heavy-duty foam-gripped aluminum bar that gives you incredible leverage, making a fully loaded 55-quart load feel shockingly light behind you. The ice retention is right up there with the best of them, easily keeping your drinks ice cold for over 5 days while keeping your custom mixed beverage perfectly chilled in its independent stainless steel tank. Inside, the organization is top tier. It features a removable dry rack and a total layout that maximizes vertical space, allowing you to stand up standard wine bottles or 2-liter sodas completely upright without hitting the lid. The construction utilizes high-tech roto-molded shell that feels incredibly solid, and the top lid features a built-in foam EVA deck that turns the cooler into a comfortable, slip-resistant seat or a perfect place to prep your camp meals. Ninja FrostVault Cooler. This is the absolute peak of cooler innovation right now, completely reimagining how we pack and access our food on the go. The legendary headline feature here is their FrostVault technology, which creates a highly unique dual-zone system. You have a traditional high-capacity top compartment for your ice and drinks, but underneath there is a separate, highly insulated dry zone drawer that stays at true refrigerator temperatures under 40 degrees Fahrenheit for days at a time. It completely eliminates the need for annoying plastic bags or secondary watertight containers to protect your food. Your sandwich bread, cheese, fresh fruit, and raw steaks sit safely in a dry, chilled drawer completely separate from the melting ice and dirty cans above. You can walk up to the cooler, slide open the heavy-duty drawer latch, grab your lunch, and close it without ever opening the main lid or digging through freezing ice water. It is incredibly efficient, saving your ice from constant warm air exposure while keeping your food perfectly pristine. The actual rolling chassis on the FrostVault is equally outstanding. It is equipped with ultra-durable, puncture-resistant, all-terrain wheels that roll effortlessly over loose gravel, thick grass, and wooden docks. The telescoping pull handle is reinforced and extra strong, placed at an ergonomic angle that distributes the weight beautifully so your wrist doesn't fatigue during long hauls from the parking lot. The insulation is up to 3 inches thick, providing premium ice retention that easily competes with the most expensive brands on the market. Outro. That's all for today, folks.